also want to take a look at NQ NASDAQ, which just looking at it in comparison to ES, it's weaker. ES is literally sitting right under all-time highs. There's the breakout candle for this week. The NASDAQ weekly candle is still below its all-time highs. So tech stocks are looking a bit weaker right now, even though some of them did have a good week this week. But overall, just keeping that in mind, that they're not perfectly flowing together. So NASDAQ was in this downtrend on the weekly, and this week we broke out of that downtrend, but we still closed below this level of resistance right here that's like right at 20,000, which is also a major psychological level. So what we were doing on ES, just using the little box, is we were consolidating right here in this range, not closing above or below until this week. So we closed above that box this week. But if NASDAQ is not strong enough to break out above 20,000 and it rejects, then it's going to come right back here to this major level. And if it can hold right here, we might get a little bit of consolidation. And if the market strength prevails, then try to get the move back up here to all-time highs. So we'll see. But for now, a lot is riding on this 20,000 level. Now, this week, if we can open above this level and use it as support, then we can also move back up here to all-time highs, previous all-time highs. Now, if this level here fails, then we go back into the consolidation range, and we do have a level right here that will really just right here that I am looking at. So that's kind of another zone. If we reject here, we can go here. This level is major support. So I would be mindful of trading puts down here, because this is where I would expect that even if NASDAQ comes back down here, that we may try to hold. So that's what I'm looking at on, let's see, the daily chart. You can see this candle here, just kind of, trying to hold. That's the hammer. So this could be a reversal setting up here, depending on where we open tomorrow. So if we open here and start to reject, then we could get the follow through coming right back down. But again, I'm just being mindful that we did break out of this downtrend on the weekly chart, and we did break out of this consolidation so far. Another thing that we could see is that if we do get the move here, we could see a rejection there. So this just helps me mentally to balance any bias, to be prepared for whatever the market wants to do, to stay nimble, to not, just get stuck in my analysis of what I think the market is going to do, but just to kind of be ready for whatever is loading. So anyway, these are things that I'm just looking at regarding the NASDAQ this week and regarding ES. And then depending on what they are doing, that helps to determine the sentiment for swings. Because if the market is strong, I want to swing with, to the upside on whatever other stocks I'm looking at. If the market is weak, then I want to go with the downside. I just want to cooperate with the strength of the market wherever it is, the trend of the market. So anyway, I hope this